Mima khungulusho va mase wa mina mafika ka lavaya va nga ti madata hiha. Option. Okay, so Mandla Gingirikani ile ku trending. Apparently, guys, I'm trending. Can you imagine, guys? Apparently, I'm trending. I'm trending on Facebook because of some misunderstanding. Some misunderstanding is making me trend on Facebook right now. So the reason I'm trending because I posted a status on my timeline on my Facebook. Nivekele status ka timeline ya mina ka Facebook. Even tsala ku moni mkomba ku ntsala ku yini. But before nimkomba anla kumjela ku ni trenda na man. Apparently I'm reporting. I'm gonna actually do a proper video where I try to not to justify myself, but I want to explain myself to you guys who are subscribed to the channel as to what transpired. Video lewan, I just want to report the news like I always do. Like I would so I have to be fair. Na mina can trend and fan tan tat reporter. So leku trend in son fan in the mahungu yimina because apparently leku lweni apparently leku bifani na Xongi Rhangani. Ileswi swi nga isona very ni leku bifana na Xongi Rhangani very ni leku lweni na Xongi Rhangani ani swi tivi mara swi tikombisa swona ku ya hileswi swi ni swi vonaka ka Facebook. So this is what happened. Xongi responded to one of my statuses leti nga posta mara mina ni tsalile swona ni lava ku n'wina mi va judge ni nge explain nchumu ka video leyi ni nga ta endla futhi next yona ni nga ta explain swilo swo tala. So ni tsale ku hi wise ti live hey ti award ti pfunini ni tlhela ku ha and then I walked away ni ku mi nga titimeli and a lot of people reacted to this thing. Within 4 hours I had 262 ha-has. And then kuma 42 comments and 1 share. So that's what happened. Nsikentsala swilo leswiyani ivi loko ni kha ni hleka ni swi tiva ku it's a joke because I was actually making a joke. Then ni respond ka vanhu lava kha va hleka because I thought it was a funny comment. The video and explain everything, but I just want to report this what happened. So then Xongi Rhangani came to my status and responded. So she responded to my status, and then what she responded, she's now deleted it. But munimjela kubatsele ku yini Xongi Rhangani or Xongi Music. Xongi Music is one of my favorite artists by the way. But then she responded to that status layer shaku we sit live the award ti funi ne ibi Xongi afika responder apparently unfortunately anina sone shanga star live because delete win is deleting na Xongi Rhangani so swa hari kona aninge koti kumkomba then ibi ayatsala ka status xa yena mara la loko responda ka status xa mina lexa xa live xa ku we sit live if katsala ku you are wicked if atsala leswi avekela ti dustbin mina I laughed ntlhela fika ni respond ni ku hey man Rangi miri se yena rintiya you know because I thought she was actually playing along in the joke because it was a joke that thing ne because she's one of the people that aba entered live before the award and everything mara nta explain everything at the next video ne? So please don't miss it. Then mina ni fika ni ku it's not rintiya you know and then Xongi went no already I realized already loko ni cheka status xa yena because someone came and comment with this status this one let me show you the sure if ka commenta ka status la xa mina xa ku we sit live hi leswi Xongi anga tsala aku ka swilo hinkwaswo mi vaviwa yini loko ni nghena ka live hi phone ya mina na data ya mina swi tikomba swi vava ngopfu I'm a threat ivi a hleka wasona mina nifika respond la nifika ni hleka I thought it was a joke like she's laughing but then hey I was wrong So mina nifike commenta la as well. Nifika ku come nifike queen because she's now removed my comments and she's also removed her responses. So whatever I said, cash status this asharkon. This one commenter. So marban botala of commenta la cash status shayena lishwa sha ko I'm a threat. Wafika commenta ba tele ban botala ba ya ban ba kuzonda ini ban bana jealousy njani ban botala ba commenta lava ba ni bula na mina van'wani va kha va ni chingela ivi Xongi if ka a responda ka comment ya mina yin'wana ni yi tsarini kwala na ha swi tika ntsele ku yini ntsele ku no he man Rhangi phe mina I was joking, that thing was a joke, I thought it was a joke. I see now you're taking it serious. Then she commented and then we had an exchange, maybe plus minus. There was a back and forth like five lines or 6 lines or 10 lines. Which she removed so far. But Mina was just saying kuri it was a joke, and if indeed I apologize profusely. Ne? Ivi aku van'wana va fika va comment va ku ri ya va ku jelezela hi mhaka risimu leriya ra munhu wa munhu njhani va lwa na wena wa swi twisisa. Then even na yena fika commenta a ngetela ku ya a hi yena ntsene va tele vanhu lava ku n'wi jelezeleni wa swi okay swi vula ku swilo leswi a mina ku ni wela swilo ni kha ni nga swi tivi cause status leyi xa mina honestly speaking a ko va joke and a ni nga swi kumangi helo, a ni nga kumangi influence from anyone, a ni nga xi vonangi hele status lexiyani kumbe a ni nga kopelangi status xa munhu no fika ni tsala swilo swa ni nga swi hleketa hikuva ni hlekete swilo swin'wana leswi a swi hambane kule ngopfu na Xongi, a swi nga fambelani na yena futhi Xongi swilo leswiya. Then ivi himpela a tlhaba status xin'wana Xongi a fika ku loko nghoma a va rhabisa leyi a ni ta yi kombela va yi withdrawa hi ku yini vangela switlhavi ni ta ze ni fansi ya vana va mina hi ku zondiwa rivengo leri a ri roxe heyi se na swi vona ku mhaka leyiwa swi vula ku yi serious mos na swi vona ku mhaka leyiwa hi serious. So ni ku no man, let me also respond because mina I was only joking and I did say I apologize to her if she thinks I'm talking about her on my status leya xa ku hi wiseti live ne, which a no delela mina a ni delela ti-artist ta Xitsonga, a ni delela vanhu lava va endlaku ti-live lava va nga ri ki ti-artist, a ni delela vafundhisi, a ni delela vanhu vo tala lava nghenela swa award and ka ti-award ku nghenele vanhu vo tala ngopfu a hi yena ntsena Xongi Rhangani na vafundhisi na vanhu vo endla swa poetry swo tala ni ta swi explain ka the next video. Then ivi mina ni fika ni ta na mina ni fika ni responda because se a na swi vona ku se vala lava mina lava ni va tivaka se vele ku hlaveleleni ka status xa Xongi tanihileswi na a nga vula ku vala lava yena mina le ku ni tsali status hi ku la ku tsakisa vala lava yena, like I didn't even mention her name. But I will explain. Then ivi kuna ivi mina ni fika ni tsala status xin'wana. Let me show you. I want to show you here. Then mina ni fika ni tsala ni responda hi status lexiwani. Ni vuya ni fika ni tsala status lexiwani ni fika ni ku ni lolowa no update status cause mi ta ku ni vulavula hi n'wina loko ku ve khechani loko ku ri swiya hi ku rhuketela na mina swi kota ku rhuketela swo tala no miyela loko ku ve ti-status ta mina ta mihlohlonya bana ni ti-live mi ni rhuketela my previous status leyi xa ku hi wise ti-live ti-award ti hi pfunini. That's the status I'm referring to ne. My previous status was an honest joke, which is true. It was a joke. And if you feel hurt by it, honestly, as much as I do not have control over it, I still apologize profusely. But if you are still not taking my apology, I really cannot help. And it looks like Vanvaga Gaza, you have this selective favoritism, which is true. Look, for example, JB Maxine or Chavi CMC, Kumbe Tono Maraj, for example. People will have just shared that status and laugh. Mara because ukusele Mandla Gingirikani, the people ban kwata, which it was just a joke, and she started, I mean, respond layer continue. I don't have it here in front of me. Let me read it for you because I have it on my phone. I actually have it here. Let me read it. Oyane. Okay. Loka kuri akulo tsala ti celebrity ka Gaza. Loko akulo tsala ti celebrity ta vo you. Amitava mihlekini on my previous status. Shitle shinga vi pongo. But because kutsele Mandla Gingirikani who wrote that joke. But because it's Mandla Gingirikani who wrote the joke, mati kwatisa. I repeat, tsalwa ra mina leri nga hundza anzo vungunya tinkambi ta ka Gaza hinkwato. And I'm still saying it from the bottom of my heart. It was a joke. Since I'm not a Facebook celebrity, I will address this matter further on Nkanelo Gingirikani, which is where we are right now. So I will address this matter in the next video, explaining everything as to what is happening with what I wrote and how people responded the way they did. And I'm not trying to justify myself, but I can also repeat here. Maybe I won't do it here. Let me actually direct you to the next video, guys. Please watch it, the next video. That's where I'm gonna dissect everything there, and then we'll conclude this matter all together. So I was just reporting to you guys as to why Mandla Gingirikani trending, why kuriku trend wendlela liya. So just to be fair, leswi swi nga humelela leswiyani. Mina Mandla Gingirikani na swi tiva ku anile ku lwini na munhu. I don't have I mean, come on, guys. I mean, come on. Like really? I'm shocked. Anyway, guys, like gere mina ni kanuk ekes dors kisel kilenyora. I'm testing to ora. Salute. Mangatiti meli. See you in the next video.